Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPAH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so I want to get a couple levels of support mapped out and then resistance going into tomorrow. First area of support is essentially right where the price is sitting at, and you could probably argue that it's already broken down through that level of support. But let's see right here. Right here at about $3.55, give or take. And like I said, the price is right there at that level. That is essentially where the bleeding had stopped all day long. There's a couple instances, right there where the bears try to push down through. And then right around here, now the price is basically sitting right at that level. So from a support standpoint, 355, 350, whatever you want to call it, definitely very important, because if the price does not hold above there, then the next level of support is not until that purple line down there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And keep in mind there, moving average, so as time goes by, that line will move its way upwards. But still, where that level's at right now, down there below $3, and considering this is at $3.50, that is still quite a bit of space. And, you can better bet, that there's plenty of shorts that are watching that level. And, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. No, this is just basic technical analysis here. And there's a lot of people out there, including shorts, where if they see this thing continue to crack and then eventually break, they're going to have no problem piling in on the short side with a break of 350. But as it stands right now, it is holding. So in the event that can hold and get a nice bounce, if there's some shorts that get trapped down here and the price does start to bounce, so where are some of these levels of resistance at? First key area of resistance, I would definitely call a very short-term one. But if there's going to be any sort of worthwhile bounce that gets started, the price is first going to have to get back up above that $4 mark. After $4, next key level to keep an eye on, up there at, about $4.70. So these would be the two short-term levels. If the price can get up through $4.70, then yeah, maybe the price has a chance at $5 and beyond. But one step at a time, and those first couple of steps are definitely not only, A, maintaining $3.50, $3.55, but then B and C, breaking above $4 and then getting up above the $4.70 mark. Then we'll see if it can get back up into the fives or not. But anyway, let's look at it. Crazy move today. We'll see how it unfolds tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.